Good evening. There's some nasty travelling weather out and about this evening because we've got a really large area of low pressure descending upon the UK and it'll be with us throughout the weekend. But some of the nastiest weather will be through the evening. As you can see, the extent of the cloud stretches right the way from Spain and Portugal up towards Iceland. Now that massive cloud is giving us a lot of heavy rain and it's also tied in with some strong to gale force winds, quite gusty winds. So the combination of the wind and the rain and the spray and the standing water, as I say, making for some rather atrocious conditions on some of the faster routes. It's been pushing in quite slowly actually across southwest England, Wales and Northern Ireland, where it's been for much of the day actually. And then through the next few hours you can see that meandering its way gradually eastwards. So many areas have a bout of wet weather through the middle part of the evening. As we get towards the latter part of the evening, the worst of the rain is starting to move into eastern areas, but there'll still be some heavy showers around, hence the amber warning from the Met Office across the southwest of Wales. So noticeably for Pembrokeshire, Carmarthenshire, those sort of areas in particular, where it's been very wet already today and it continues that way. Look at the gusts of wind here, 40 to 60 miles an hour, but at least that's blowing the rain away from Northern Ireland, where it's been thoroughly wet for much of daylight. So a wet and windy spell of weather for many through the first part of the night. That then clears away and we get lots of showers following in on the southwesterly winds. So coming back into the south and west of England and Wales. Not the persistence that we've had, but nevertheless just keeping piling up what we've already seen. Relatively mild though, because we've got the cloud and the wind. Now that wind is blowing our weather system away across into Scandinavia, out of the Northern Isles eventually for the day ahead tomorrow. But that low pressure is still driving the weather, and low pressure means it'll stay unsettled and it'll stay showery. Initially, most of the showers be in the west and southern areas, but that wind is strong enough to blow them further eastwards, so they become more widespread through the day. But northeastern areas of Scotland, eastern areas of England, likely to see fewer showers, probably the east of Northern Ireland, and temperatures will be just above par for the time of year. Then as we head into Sunday, we've got more showers to come. So it won't be a particularly cold start on Sunday morning. However, there will be a number of showers around, rather hit and miss, so not for all. However, pretty unpleasant if you are standing out in the commemorations if it is raining. So do take something waterproof.